Hello everyone, it's your girl Ifoma and today is Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas! Actually guys, this is my first solo Christmas and I'm spending it in United Kingdom. I'm going to take you guys along with me on my experience. I want you guys to see how I'll be spending my Christmas. So first things first, I actually got a gift from my workplace and I'm going to be unboxing it here. We have a card. I love receiving cards. I love receiving letters. So Santa Pawn is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Honestly, I love Christmas because it's like the festive spirit and like it just makes me so happy and it reminds me of when I was very little and all. So okay, to Ify, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. All the best for 2025. Lots of love. I love unwrapping gifts, literally. Are you ready? Because I am. Oh my god! Chocolates! I love chocolates. Like, I love chocolates so much. Then we have this. This is actually something you can guess. A mug? Definitely. Oh my god, guys! This is so beautiful. And it has the festive vibes. Honestly, yeah, I do love it. So these are all we got. I appreciate it so much. I'm very grateful. Thank you to my manager. I'll just try to make today as fun as I can. So we're going to be going to the kitchen to make some dish, and then I am gonna eat it and you guys are gonna watch me eat it. Yeah.
Feathers been calling, my enemies stalling, my people been ballin', my team we been wildin'. Canada 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. I'm ballin' on top of that mountain, I'm on and I'm calling my mom and tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. And the pressure would sit you right down, but I stood up. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. We had to slow it down, what goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now, I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now.
I got it on both and I learned from the losses. My failure was friendship, I saw it was ghosting. Started like everyone had certain tools. Only difference is I knew what to do. Now everyone calling when progress is stalling. My stock is been slowing, my life getting boring. Ain't no more hitting me up when you lose. When it's time to wake up, see you hitting the snooze.
When they ask me how we leveled up without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
Guys, so I'm done cooking. You guys saw I also made some coleslaw. I'm gonna eat it with the rice I already have later. But this is like my favorite food, which is why I also made it. So I'll have like different options basically. guys, so I'm gonna be watching a movie now. I'm thinking if I should watch a Christmas movie or just a random movie. But yeah, this is so nice, guys. Literally. I also brought some of the coleslaw because I might just feel like eating some greens after this while I'm watching some movie. So let's look for a movie to watch. Guys, I'm going to be watching this movie Y2K. I think it seems interesting. So let's just watch this.
I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go.
Miss
You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'll fall into the deep end, giving into my feelings. Afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow. My knees are
Hey guys, so I'm done eating and I also enjoyed the movie. Like, imagine the internet coming back to haunt us. Really, that would be crazy. Yeah, so yeah, that's what this movie is about. It's Y2K, like I showed you all. I'm editing a YouTube video and I need to conclude it. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna like have a shower and then go to bed because I need to wake up very early tomorrow.